All right, so here's a look at this portable workstation. Now we've been setting this up for our warehouse. We're gonna put in this in our warehouse for work use. We've got a computer that we're gonna have specifically for out there. And you can see that we've got our monitor already mounted up on here, and we got our computer over here on the back. Now, this is gonna be for any type of computer. So if you've got a larger PC, you could definitely put that on here, and it is gonna come with a set of straps as well. So you can put those straps right over the top, hold the PC down, that way it doesn't fall over, even if you bump this up against something. Now we just have a Mac Mini, so what I did was, there's some screws underneath here. You can undo these, and this is going to slide this in and out. Now, it won't go much further than it is now, but what I do is I just push it up against the Mac Mini. Since it's got a silicone case on here, this is not gonna go anywhere. Now, over here on the back, you can see this is where you're gonna adjust the height. So if you want this to go up or down, then you just go ahead and unscrew this right here. This is gonna loosen it up. Then once that's unscrewed, you'll have this button right here that you press, and this will bring it down. You'll see that there's gonna be these handles, which will help you kind of slide this up and down. And if you want it to go up higher, you can keep going, and you'll see this is the maximum height. So I'm about 5'9". You can see this is about the same height as me. It gives you quite a tall setup, which is really nice. Now this might be a little too tall for my setup right here, but you could also adjust this as well. So if you wanted this to be just as high as it is now, but maybe you want the keyboard to be lower, there's gonna be a couple of Allen screws over here on the side that you can undo, and then this is just gonna slide up and down. So really easy to use, really easy to set up regardless of whatever height it is you're gonna be. And then you also have the monitor, which is going to rotate up and down as well. So if you want this to go up or down, nice and easy, you can just pull on it. Then you could also tighten this screw right here as well. So if you want it to just be locked into one place and not move, you can tighten that Allen screw and it's gonna all stay in place. Now, if you're gonna be doing a similar setup to this, one more thing that I would recommend adding to your setup is a stool like this. So you can see this is a no back stool, makes it nice and easy for you to pull up onto here. You can kind of utilize this, change the height, and then slide this around. So if you're working again in some kind of like warehouse, factory, or even if you just kind of work at home, maybe you're like a reseller or do anything like that in the garage, it's nice because you can easily just roll around just like this, pull the whole machine over with you, slide over to a news station, do something, check the inventory, whatever it may be, and you're able to be mobile without actually having to walk around and stand around. But if you want to keep this in one spot, it will have locks on all 4 of the wheels. So you just press this down right there. Got another one here. And then you also have 2 more in the back. As far as the wheels go, they look tiny and they look like they might be weak, but I'm telling you, these are some pretty strong rubber wheels that roll pretty much over anything. I've tried it also in our backyard that has like these pavers and like a bunch of bumps, and it slides around super easy. So don't be fooled by how small these wheels are. These feel almost like rollerblade wheels if you've seen those on like office chairs. Oh, actually kind of like these wheels right here. They make it really easy for you to just slide around. And that's one of the main features that I was looking for in one of these, is making sure that it's gonna roll and slide around with ease. I don't want this to be difficult to use. I want it to be as easy as possible. And I mean, look at this, just with like 2 fingers, I can easily slide and pull this all the way around. Now, as far as cable management goes, you can see there's gonna be these pieces up here at the top. So if you've got a wired mouse, a wired keyboard, or anything else, like I'll put my phone charger right here as well. Let's kind of just link it right there. And then that way I got a little spot for my phone to charge. Then also over here on the back, you're gonna see this cable is actually gonna go through here, and then you can kind of put it either down through the bottom or up through the top. For this one, I'm just putting it up here at the top. Honestly, I don't really care too much about the cable management on here. Maybe I could get some kind of thing to kind of clump these all together, but just make sure you give yourself enough room for it to kind of go up and down if you're gonna constantly be adjusting it. The installation on this was relatively easy. I would say it took me about 10 to 15 minutes to put it together. So not too bad altogether. You're just gonna need like the Allen key and a little wrench that comes with it, but really easy to set up. Here up on the top, you're gonna see this is where the keyboard's gonna go. It will come with this mouse pad, and it's also gonna come with this wrist pad as well. So it does make it nice and comfortable for you to push up against here. And also, this is a little flimsy, which I do actually like. I don't want something to be too rigid. If I'm always moving around, I want like a little bit of flexibility and a little bit of movement. If you wanted to, you could tighten the screws under here and it'll, you know, get a little bit more tight. But I really do like the fact that they made this a little bit more flimsy, because the whole setup, you can see everything is nice and fluid. It's not hard and rigid. And especially if you're gonna be like bumping into stuff, you want to have a little bit of play. So if you're looking for a portable workstation, whether that be for in your home, in the garage, or in a warehouse, I would definitely recommend picking this one up. It is one of the best ones that I've seen on Amazon. It's got so much flexibility, so much movement, and it just makes everything really easy.